Hello everyone, how are you? Now I am coming from, yeah, what are you doing now? Let me know first, comment box. I have a many toys for my playing. I playing my toys with hammer, cutter, and also I have a missile. Do you like it? So today I am playing a new game. Okay, today we are playing a new game. What game you are like? Please tell me comment box, because I playing same game you like this. Okay, so I have a, this is a slide. Do you know this is slide, and it working a many worker, and now I am working it a one. Yes, now I am working hammer with this is slide. Okay, this is a slide, and wow, it's fantastic. Okay, but don't it, yeah. Oh my god, not so good. This is a very bad. Okay, and this is my vehicle. This is JCB. This is a engineering working machine. Do you like it? But this is my favorite toys because this is a vroom, vroom. Okay, and this this tire also good. Wow, yeah. uh, look now, see, yeah. This is tire color red. Red is my favorite color. What is your favorite color name? Please tell me no. Okay, and I know, do you like ice cream? All right. So I have a one ice cream. Do you eat it? Eat it. Okay, and I eating it. Okay, but not open it. This is very uh, sad for me. Not open it. Why not open it? Do you open it? Okay, eat it. Okay, oh, okay, best. Now next, this is a cutting machine. I cutting the police bus. Yeah, this is police bus, man. This is a police bus. Okay, police bus. Oh my god, this is a police bus. My god, wonderful. And also I have a missile vehicle. This is a missile. Okay, and lipstick missile. Haha, lipstick missile. Okay, now next, this is wow, this is a sunflower. That's mean when sun is come, this is a very good look, very good. You know that. Okay, nice. I like it. Do you like it? I know you like also. I know. Okay, now I'm playing with a Spiderman. Wow, This is a Spider-Man and humping Spider-Man. And Spider-Man wearing a spider. Wow. And second Spider-Man. Wow. Oh my god, what is this? But this is a powerful Spider-Man. Now both fighting. Yeah. Who can win this game? Let me know who can win this game. E E. Who? Who win this game? Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Very powerful Spider-Man. I have a two very powerful Spider-Man. Oh, finished. No, 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 no. Gosh, oh my god. Wow. Wow. WWE wrestling. This is a WWE wrestling. Wow. Powerful. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Wow. Now, who is winner? Let me know. I am not declare it who winner. You declare it. Okay? Who is winner? This. This name is a. This name is a Eric, and this name is a Tony. Who is win this game? Please let me know, man. Okay. Who is win? Eric or Tony? Let me know. Now, this is a car. This is a under construction vehicle. Yeah, under construction. And this is a engineering car. Okay. Who is the powerful? Who is the powerful? This or it? This. Who is a powerful? Let me know. Then now, wow. Who is powerful? You know who is powerful is who? Wow. Oh my god. Same to same. Power is a power. I like it. Do you know? So he is win. Okay. This game he is. Wow. No. Oh my god. What is this, man? Very hard. Very strong. Now also. Oh my god. Wow. This is very also strong. Also same power. Two same power. Oh my god. I like it. Okay. Oh my god. No, this is very power. No breaking, no. Oh my god. Now also, now. Oh no, this is also powerful. Who he is flying? Wow. Oh my god. He is flying. Now also another shot. Oh my god. Also two vehicle is flying. This is surprising. Oh my god, wow, amazing. I like it. Do you let me know who is powerful? It. Who is the powerful? Let me know, comment box. Okay. And now hammer or cutting machine. Who is the powerful? Hammer is broken. A cutting machine is cut. So we are testing now who is powerful. Okay. This is my favorite friend. Okay. Now I am cutting here, but not cut. Now we are cutting it. Oh my god. Oh, but wow. Oh my god. This is a new. This is a new. My god. My god. Wow. Testing cutting, okay? Testing it. Testing it. Testing it. Oh my god. What? But very good. Now I am testing hammer. Okay. Okay, testing. Not good. This is also same power. I know same power. You also know this is the same power. No different. Okay, but uh, he is cutting it. This power finish. Yeah. All right. But same power. But it cutting it, cutter master cutting it, so this power vanish and it is power also. And hammer power finished when it power finished. Haha. Do you know that? Okay, do you understand it? Okay, I know, understand, but let me know where any problem, let me know. Okay, no problem. Okay, now we have a next this is dark. Do you know real dark? Too dark. Not sound? Why not sound it? Maybe something error, damage, maybe damage it. So sad, man. Oh, by the way, new duck coming soon. Okay, new duck coming soon and big duck. Okay, friend. No problem, no problem. Big duck coming soon. Wow, wow. Yeah, this is working. Yeah, this is working. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, no. But this is shaking, then sound not good. So I have a too dark, but not so good because he is not sound. He is broken. I not like it. I have a very sad mind now. And this is a mobile telephone. You watching my video mobile. Okay, this is a walkie-talkie mobile, and this is uh, mm, this is use police, any government person. This is use sometime use people, but this is very good. I calling my officer yesterday. You know that. By the way, this is a what is this? What is this? I don't know. What is this? What is this? Let me know. But I join it. Okay, join this. Wow, very good join, man. Not a very bad. This is very good. Very good join it. Wow, no shaking, no. Wow. You like it, I know, because this is amazing. New tricks. Yeah, this is a new tricks, man. And also I join it. Okay, Wow, this is also very good. I love it. I love it. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a very very good. I like it. Wow. My god. No no no. Hello hello friend. Hello. Like कर दो my video. Please like, comment and share. Okay friend. Now this is a police bus. By the way, now many playing today. Now I am studying. Okay, so bye bye friend. See you next video. Okay. If you are my channel new, please subscribe my channel. Okay friend. Bye bye.